This is the new Polar Express. Smoke coming out. And slow it down. Slowing it down. Woo, look at that smoke. Watch the smoke. Train is working perfectly. You get more track. You're going to get more track. Let's pull it, baby. Pull it. Power, 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 power. With the power of that locomotive. On the straightaways. There's trouble with those curves. But on the straightaways, watch the curves will slow down. Power, baby, power. Pull it, baby, pull it. A little bit more power. Okay, we're gonna slow it down. Slow it down here. Wonderful.